So no, it actually isn't my first time in Orlando. I actually grew up less than 200 miles south of here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So Disney World is definitely one of the main attractions here to go ahead and visit.
This is my first time at Keys to Success. I'm super excited. I've never been to Florida. So I'm really thrilled to see a lot of the speakers, a lot of consultants, top recruiters, assistant managers.
Just to get to Adam Dorfman was definitely one of my most influential speakers today. I think it was very interesting when he spoke about planting seeds. You know, we plant seeds sometimes even in the dark when nobody goes ahead and gives us recognition, and they don't clap for us, you know, and we're striving for greatness, doing all the right things, and sometimes we're not hitting our goals. But even after that, you know, as long as you just keep pushing and you never give up, you'll hit your goals. So 2019, let's kick it off right.
So this is my first time at Keys to Success. I'm super excited. I've never been to Florida. So I'm really thrilled to see a lot of the speakers, a lot of consultants, top recruiters, assistant managers. One of my favorite speakers though has to be Mateo. He just recently got promoted to consultant. And his story really resonated with me just because he does come from an immigrant background. Both of his parents, they migrated from Croatia as refugees, and they got to this country with only $200 in their pocket, and they only knew 2 words of English. So it's super inspiring to see that he was super successful at a very young age. He's only 27, and he has a lot of accomplishments already. And I definitely want to be in his shoes. I'm 26 right now, so if he's able to do it really quickly, it means that there's no excuse for me. And as he said it, if his parents were able to go through all these hardships, then what excuse do we have? So definitely don't have any excuses.